Ranveer sir, yeah. How are you? Sir, straight. Ranveer sir, एक solo picture, please. Sir, yeah. Sir, straight. Ranveer sir, straight.
Yes. Without the mic. The show's just got over. I just want to say thank you to everybody involved, including you, because you killed it to a biggish way. Not as per plan, but killed it either way. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out, and I need to see more to kind of figure out how it went further from that.
Thank you, Kunal. I've known Kunal since the beginning of my film career as a professional, and I've worked a lot with him. I've done a very super hit blockbuster film called Besharam with him, and then I did, and I'm doing Jagga Jasoos, which is going for 3 years, so I see him all the time. But he's a wonderful artist, wonderful designer, wonderful entrepreneur, and really happy to work for him for the first time.
I've never heard him say anything nice about me ever. It's the first time.
Kunal, could you tell us about the inspiration behind this collection?
Oh, the collection is called Roleplay. Sorry. The collection is called Roleplay. So the concept is, you know how we all, fashion today is very whimsical. You have different sort of moods and different sort of personalities. So the idea was to have something for every function, every occasion, but for different moods. You know, you have days where you get up, you want to dress a certain way. Men usually have, you know, 3 Sangeet outfits, one Bandgala which goes for dry clean, comes back, and that's what you wear irrespective of what the event is or what your mood is. So the idea was, have an outfit, have fun with what you're wearing, depending on your mood. We all have it for Western wear. I don't know why we don't have it for our Indian wear, and for men's wear especially.
For the runway, it was very dramatic, and also the use of headgears.
Correct.
So,
I love drama. At the end of it, I think when we design a look, it's not only about the clothes, it's about the accessories, the hair, makeup, headgear, shoes. So my stuff is like a contemporary take on festive wear, and especially this collection since we're in the festive season. So it was my way of doing a safa.
we know that Kareena is walking tonight.
Is she?
And Kareena.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yes, and you have also walked. So what do you have to say of the association of Kapoor Khandan with Latte Fashion Week?
Same pinch.
आपका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या है?
मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट एक्चुअली आप सालों से देख रहे हो कि मैं जीन्स, टी शर्ट, कैप और स्नीकर्स पहनता हूँ। उसके बियॉन्ड नहीं जाता, लेकिन जब भी अगर कोई किसी ने मुझे फैशनेबल कहा है इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल लाइक कुणाल रावल। वो मुझे ड्रेस करते हैं, वो मुझे फैशनेबल बनाते हैं। बट अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं टी शर्ट, जीन्स, स्नीकर्स और टोपी पहनता
ये एथलीजर के बाप है।
किसके बाप?
एथलीजर।
हाँ, ये पता नहीं अगर इसने मुझे मामा बनाया क्या बनाया, उसने बोला ये सब पहनो अच्छा लगेगा, फिर इसने ये भी पहना दिया।
It's there to match the work on the.
Yeah, you want to talk about this?
Yes, the concept of his
No, actually,
outfit.
nobody's interested. So yeah, उसने rings पहना।
What does fashion mean to you?
Fashion means your own personality. To be honest, मुझे फैशन के बारे में इतना जानकारी नहीं है, तो ऐसा कुछ मैं लाजवाब जवाब नहीं दे सकता। बट फैशन टू मी अकॉर्डिंग टू, जब मैं किसी को देखता हूँ और फैशनेबल लगते हैं तभी लगते हैं जब वो खुश लगते हैं। यू नो, व्हेन दे आर हैप्पी, व्हेन दे सीम वेरी कंफर्टेबल, तब वो फैशनेबल लगता है।
रणवीर, जैसा कि आपने बताया कि कुणाल जग्गा जासूस में भी आपके लिए कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइन किया उन्होंने, साथ ही जग्गा जासूस की डेट्स भी फाइनल आ चुके हैं, रिलीज डेट भी, तो कितने एक्साइटेड हैं और क्या वजह है कि फिल्म इतना ज़्यादा डिले हो गई?
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। ये फिल्म बनी सिर्फ कुणाल रावल की वजह से, वो नहीं होता तो नहीं बनती। हाँ, अफसोस की बात है कि थोड़ा डिले हुआ, बहुत डिले हुआ एक्चुअली, थोड़ा नहीं, बट ऐसा होता है फिल्मों में, इट्स नॉट इन योर हैंड्स। नहीं, ठीक है, इट्स नॉट इन योर हैंड्स। बट अभी 7 अप्रैल को रिलीज़ हो रही है, उसके पहले ए दिल है मुश्किल रिलीज़ हो रही है इस दिवाली, तो उसको लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। और उसके बाद मैं जगह जासूस के बारे में आपसे और बात करूँगा। यस, यहाँ एक बात सुन लेता हूँ।
Okay, and today you work for Kunal. So, what are the changes that you have felt? How have you felt different?
यार उस टाइम I remember it was my first year in my professional life. तब मुझे मेकअप इतनी पता था। I remember I wore so much of bronzer, I looked gold. So it's quite a fashion faux pas and I still remember that.
And people expected you to look gold.
हाँ, but वैसा हुआ नहीं। People or you?
Not me.
Which people? Nobody's come and told me this except you. Okay, हाँ. Acha. No, but you know, like I said, you know, Kunal and me are very like-minded. Our fashion taste is very similar. So it's really a pleasure to work with him.
Ranveer, your one go-to piece in your wardrobe
Would be a New York Yankees hat.
Who do you look up to as in fashion?
As in fashion, who do I look up to? Amitabh Bachchan, Saif Ali Khan, Ranveer Singh, Imran Khan is very fashionable. In actresses, Sonam, which goes without saying. Sonam, Deepika, Katrina, Anushka, Kangana. One more actress, Kunal Rawal. Kareena. I was not enjoying because, to be honest, you know, for an actor to walk on the ramp is very hard because you just have to be blank. क्योंकि कुछ कैरेक्टर तो मिलता नहीं है आपको सिर्फ कपड़े लेकर ऐसा चलना पड़ता है.
मैंने कोशिश किया.
हाँ, किसने कोशिश किया? But it's not fun to walk for an actor on the ramp, especially for me.
What goes on in your mind when you're walking the runway?
What do you have to say about Sakshi Malik and PV Sindhu हमारे चैंपियंस के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
हैं?
Let's restrict our
इसके बारे में, फैशन के बारे में बात करें.
Ranveer, what's about the outfit
Yeah.
she's wearing? The detail.
Just detail it.
So the concept of this outfit is contrast. अगर you heard the music also, there's a high pitch and a low pitch that the high pitch and a low pitch comes together. So I'm a lover of contrast. So the idea for this also is using warm tones of cool colors and cool tones of warm colors, making a sort of in-between combination. So yeah, geometrics is something I love. Metallic is something again I am forecasting for the season, and French knots is something I've loved for a while. So yes, that's what the outfit is about. Bandi kurta.
In this outlook, you look like a perfect dulha.
Outlook?
Yeah.
Outlook.
Yeah. When would you like to, marry?
आप शादीशुदा हो? मुझे शादी कर लूँगा.
लेकिन रणवीर ऐसी खबरें आ रही हैं कि
खबरें ऐसी थैंक यू सो मच. जय माता दी, जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ranveer, picture. Yes, of course.